On today's body cam, we're checking out drunk OnlyFans girls realize one of them is going to jail.
Have you had anything to drink today? Any illegal drugs? Any...
No.
Okay, go back. 1, 2.
Till we tell you to leave the vehicle. Do you understand that? Arrest me! Miss! Miss!
Hey, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Just have a driver's license, registration, proof of insurance with you?
Both cars or no?
I'm sorry?
Both of us?
Yeah, if you got yours, sure.
He's like...
I'm sorry?
I insurance.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, like, I don't get pulled over. I don't know where my...
Insurance?
Registration ID. Insurance, registration, and license. They gave you my license?
I have your passenger's license, I believe.
I have a picture of my license.
I have yours. What do you have a ticket for there? You're holding a ticket in your hand. Is that yours?
Yeah, I paid this ticket then. I just haven't cleaned my car. Don't judge me.
Okay. Where are you guys coming from today?
Donovan's.
Donovan's?
Yeah.
Alright. How much does you have?
Let me guess, that's a bar. And that's what leads into the next question. That's what I tell you. Listen, you don't answer those questions.
To drink today?
You gotta answer that.
I'm literally rapping right now, so I'm not drinking. I can show you if you want.
You're the passenger in the vehicle, so I'm not too concerned. I'm concerned with...
Yeah.
Have you had anything to drink today? Any illegal drugs? Any... Just alcohol?
Yes, I had 2 drinks.
2 drinks? Okay. How's your license?
What?
How's your license? Are you suspended? Anything like that?
Oh, no.
No? Alright. Do me a favor, turn the key off and just throw the keys up on the dashboard for me, alright? I'm gonna go double check your license and I'll be right back with you. Careful. Alright, Karina, step out of the car for me.
Why?
Because I want to talk to you on the side of the road, probably
You know
get
what? I can drive home. What do you mean? I didn't drink anything.
Alright, that's fine, but...
I can take a
So the
test. I can do anything you want. I just haven't.
The only issue I have is, the reason why I'm stopping you guys in the first place is when you were coming over the bridge, I noticed that you guys were failing to maintain your lane. I saw you guys laughing and joking, but as I continued to follow you guys down the hot...
I know my back.
Well,
listen.
But I can drive perfectly. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. The other issue is, you handed me a driver's license that says you're not 21 until next year.
I'm 24 years old. So
No, the driver did.
No, I'm 24 years old.
The passenger needs to shut up, man. Honestly. Damn, shut up. Trying to focus on the driver, man. Trying to focus on this. You keep butting in and talking. Shut up.
So, right now I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle so we can talk on the side of the road. Step out of the vehicle. Alright. All we're going to do is we're going to step on the side of the road, we're going to have a chat, and we're going to go from there, alright?
Chat.
How long ago did you guys leave Donovan's?
30 minutes ago.
30 minutes ago? How much did you really have to drink?
The fish are on this too. They really got me.
Really got you. Alright.
They got me.
So, like I said, I stopped you because the whole way down the highway, you're not maintaining your lane. Ma'am, stay in the car.
Ma'am,
Stay in the car. Stay in.
Miss, get in the car.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm new to this. I'm like way too...
That's alright.
Do you have ID?
Yes, of course. I'm on my medication right now.
I just need to see your ID.
That's why I didn't drive. Hold on, Danny. I'm trying to find my relax.
He's got her ID.
I literally
Is this vehicle in your name, ma'am?
No, this is not my car. It's not my vehicle. I'm on medication, which is why I didn't drive. I'm completely sober.
Yeah, so why don't you just sit there and be quiet before we have to get you for interfering? Okay. Yeah, she's on something too, because you could tell she don't even remember giving her ID to the cop. That's who has her ID.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, just stand over here.
That's why she can't find it in her wallet.
Do you have a shirt that you want to put on?
Oh, God. I guess I do have a
Perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's why you're not cold.
For thanking you.
This pink letters or orange letters, just stand right there.
And do what? I'm sorry.
All right. Why don't you put the sweatshirt on?
Oh, inside.
When I instruct you to, you're going to lift a leg of your choosing approximately 6 inches off of the ground. Okay? You're going to count out loud in a 1,000th manner until I tell you to stop. I'm going to explain it to you.
Okay.
Right?
Is it like 6 inches? Oh my God, maybe.
Karina?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
I want you to pay attention very closely to what he's telling you to do. All right, you're going to stand with your foot parallel to the ground. Ma'am, just stay in the car, okay?
I'm sorry. I'm
right.
looking for my
Ma-
license.
That's okay. That's okay. It's fine. All right, ma'am, just stay in your car. Let's start from the beginning. All right. So I want you to start from the starting position.
Anyway.
Ma'am, I need you to come to the back of the car. Ma'am, I need you to stay in the car.
I assure you.
We are on a highway. No, I need you to stay in the car. We're on a highway, okay? Okay, you may begin.
1,000 to 1,000 to 1,000 1,000
All right. Patrolman Alvator is going to conduct another test with you, okay?
All right. You're going to take a series of 9 steps, touching heel to toe on each step. Just do me a favor, get back to the starting position. You're going to go back. 1, 2, 3, until you get to 9. Heel to toe, and you keep your hands at your side.
Miss, I need you to stay in the
No,
car.
I am. There's somebody coming
Okay.
for me.
All right, just
I am gonna stay in the car.
okay. Just stay in the car. Okay, that's fine.
I'm sorry.
That's fine.
I
Just stay in the
wanna
car.
leave. Can I hold my hand out the window? Is that okay?
Yeah, let's just close the car door. Okay, you can stay with the window open.
I'm telling you, one more thing out of her, man. Got to get her together, man. Because the driver, she's cooked, but the driver, she's pleasant. You know what I mean? She's polite. She's whatever. She's done. You know, she's definitely going to jail. But this passenger, man, she doing too much, man. What the heck?
Did you understand the instructions? You're going to use.
Is it like?
You're going to. So let's go back to the beginning.
Karina,
All right.
stand right here.
Just listen.
Take a deep breath.
All right.
I'm going to explain this to you one more time.
Just like that. Do you have any questions? Yep, your feet like that, your arms at your side. Miss, just stay in the car.
I just want to witness it.
Okay, no, you have to stay in the car.
No, I want to
Ma'am,
witness it.
you need
I'm
to stay in
so
the car.
sorry, but I'm
Miss,
hearing what you're saying, and I
you
need to witness the.
Okay, do you realize that by interfering with motor vehicle stop and
If
we're
you
doing
wanna
that, we can
arrest
also
me-
Yeah,
arrest you for
get her
obstruction?
together.
Get
Do
back
you want
into
to
the car.
arrest me?
I really don't. I want
don't
you.
want
Yeah,
to either.
arrest her.
I just want to see
So
what's
then I
going
need
on.
you to get into the
Listen,
vehicle.
I'm in pain. I can't
Okay.
sit. Can I stand? Can I
I
stand
need you to
here?
get into the vehicle.
Please.
I need you to get into.
Can I
Miss,
stand?
I need you to get into the vehicle and stay in the vehicle.
I'm
Miss,
begging
I need
you.
you
I'm
to get in.
begging you for
Miss,
let me
I
stand.
need you to get into the vehicle and stay in the vehicle. We are on a highway.
I understand.
Okay, I need you to
Listen.
please get into the vehicle.
I want to
Okay,
get in the
I have to
vehicle.
finish what she's doing and then I will come back and talk to you. I promise.
No, then-
No, I'm going. I'm not that stupid.
Okay. All right. What's your name? What's your name?
Olivia
Okay.
Morrow.
Okay, I need.
My boyfriend
all
is right here.
Okay, you need to stay in the vehicle.
I
We are
know,
on a very busy highway.
I understand
Even
that.
when your boyfriend gets here,
I
you
understand.
cannot leave this vehicle until I tell you you can
completely
leave this
understand.
vehicle.
I'm
Do
very
you understand?
sorry.
that?
I'm very sorry.
Okay, please
It's
stay
just
in the please stay in the vehicle.
During each step, I want you to touch heel to toe and count out loud. Okay? I'm going to demonstrate it. Again, I'm going to do 3 steps just for time's sake, and you're going to do 9. All right?
Phone calls. You've been harassed or in other apps, no phone calls. As officers began conducting sobriety tests on the driver, Karina, the situation quickly became difficult to control because of the passenger's behavior. Throughout the investigation, the passenger repeatedly interrupted deputies, stepped out of the vehicle multiple times, and ignored commands to stay inside the car while officers were trying to focus on the roadside DWI investigation. Officers repeatedly warned the passenger about safety concerns and obstruction, but the interruptions continued until...
Stand once again, feet together, hands at your side. All right?
I know. Miss.
This is my mom's car.
Okay,
I need
miss.
to sit here.
But listen.
I don't care.
No, miss.
I'm in pain. I
Miss.
need to stand up.
Miss.
I'm
Okay.
in pain.
Miss.
I understand. I'm not trying
Okay.
to disrespect you.
Listen.
Turn it off.
Miss.
I'm in
You
a
need
lot
to
of
calm
pain.
down. You cannot just run out of a vehicle on a motor
Listen.
vehicle stop until we allow you to
I
go.
understand. I will stand wherever you want me to.
Listen.
But I need to stand up.
He better play his role. I see him itching. He better play his role and zip it. Just zip it. Don't say nothing. Play your role, man. I see him. I see him itching. Don't interfere.
Listen.
I cannot sit. I cannot
Miss.
sit. I will stand there. I will stand there. I will stand anywhere. Please let me stand. Anywhere.
You need to understand.
I understand
Okay,
everything you're saying.
No, you have not, because you have not listened to a thing I have said.
I will listen
So
to you.
if we go back to the car, once
Okay.
you're free to leave, I will allow you to leave with your boyfriend, okay? But you
I
cannot
know.
just run out of a vehicle
Okay.
when you are on a motor vehicle stop. You are not allowed
I'm sorry,
to just
but
do
can
that.
I please,
Okay?
can you let me stand?
Okay. I'm going to let you take her because I'm afraid that she's going to next run and cross the highway.
I'm not
And I
across
just,
the highway.
okay,
I understand.
but that's why I'm nervous of because she has not listened to anything that we have said
I
this entire
understand
time,
that.
and
I
she's
will
been very
listen to
belligerent.
you. I just
okay,
wanna
I
stand
want her
up.
to be safe. I want her to get out of here.
I just
I
wanna
think she
stand
does
up.
still have belongings in that car. I cannot let you take those until we're done with what
My
we're doing.
purse I am taking.
So if you want to hang out
We'll hang out
right here,
No.
okay, that's
They're gonna
fine.
get it. They're not
All right,
gonna
Listen,
but she can't.
I
She's not going to be.
told her I
If she
can
gets into this
stand up.
vehicle,
If she wants doctor's
okay.
notes, I will give it to
all right,
her.
I'm going to do is I am going to arrest you if you don't get into this car. Okay.
Oh, is he interfering?
Listen to your boyfriend and get into the car.
She letting her go? Oh, hell nah.
Do you have anything in your car that you're gonna need? Cell phone, wallet.
Everything.
All right, we'll grab some stuff for you.
I cannot believe that.
All right, let's go back here.
See, this is what I mean. She's cooked, but she's polite. She's in flow state.
Did you call it out?
Yeah, I called them. So this is her purse.
Perfect.
Just stay in the car. Just stay with her. Please, thank you. Sure, these are her shoes since they were on her side, and I think
so
this is
sorry.
her purse.
Is there any way?
Okay.
What police station?
So, Highlands.
It's been a little bit of time, but I don't think we need it.
Inside the
passenger is
station, the
ridiculous.
investigation shifted toward the breath test process, where officers repeatedly explained Miranda rights, refusal laws, and the legal consequences tied to the DWI investigation. Deputies continued trying to get clear answers from Karina as she shifted between confusion, jokes, emotional reactions, and off-topic conversations throughout the processing. Meanwhile, outside the station, Karina's friend, who was also the passenger during the roadside DWI investigation, later arrived with her boyfriend asking to check on Karina while deputies were still completing paperwork and release procedures. Officers explained that Karina would not be allowed to drive for at least 12 hours and began arranging for a sober ride and instructions for retrieving the vehicle.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide. Craziest footage on a midnight.